Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Again, this is PM Gaming and today, ang pag-uusapan natin is kung paano ka nga ba kikita as a content creator dito sa Crosswave campaigns. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Crosswave. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol. No? So today, pag-usapan natin ngayon kung paano ka nga ba kikita as a content creator dito kay Crosswave. Na kung aspiring content creator ka pa lang or maybe napahinga ka sa pagko-content and gusto mo magbalik sa YouTube, this is the best opportunity for you to participate in. Number one, it is because you will get rewarded based on the quality of your content and also the viewership of your content. Now, dito sa Crosswave, they actually run multiple campaigns right now. And kung mapapansin nyo dito, may specific prize pool allocation per campaign. However, the total cross that is going to be available during this campaign for the whole games that you can see here below is around 570,000 cross. Which means na i-deploy nila to all throughout the participants ng mga campaigns na available right now. Okay? Now, if you scroll down a bit, there are different campaigns that is running. So, yung iba dyan, most likely, mga MMORPG games. But, everything is actually related to Web3 as well. So, lahat to guys, talagang nasa Web3 space. So, merong Rohan 2, merong SEAL-M, merong Rome Golden Age, merong Multi-Arena, and then Pixel Heroes, Cooking Adventure, and also yung Dragonflight. Now, if you actually click to one of the campaigns here, you will see that there is a different allocations as well. So let's say for example, itong si SEAL-M. So 80,000 yung prize pool na paghahatian ng mga content creators na nag-participate. And again guys, you will be rewarded depending on these categories. Number one is the quality of your video. And then number two is also the views of your video. So Shendong, kailan lang to guys pumasok? Pero nag-top 1 siya dahil magaganda yung nagawa niyang contents and maganda rin yung engagement niya kay SEAL-M. That's the reason why nasa top 1 siya ngayon. Though he doesn't show his face, okay, but I think it matters when it comes to the views and engagements as well ng video. So it's one of the things that they consider. However, the way they actually evaluate our videos, guys, is depending on how the AI is set up. Usually sabi nila more on quality daw nakafocus yung AI, but they are also considering re-evaluating the videos as well in terms of views, okay, para at least hindi siya ma-abuse ng mga ibang content creators, no? So anyway, Shendong was able to be one of the top creators dito kay SEAL-M. So each campaign guys may iba't ibang top 1 dyan, okay? But basically, yung mga nauna dito guys, automatic, they will be included on the top 1 as well. So, if we go back and we actually check other campaigns like itong si Rome, mapapansin nyo dito, si Sales RJ naman, yung top 1. So, it really depends guys. May mga ibang content creators dito na maliit lang yung subscriber count pero nasa top sila. Like ito, si Xmochi TV, nandito siya sa top 6. May mga content creators naman dito na sobrang taas ng subscriber count pero nasa baba sila ng rankings. So basically, it really depends on to the quality and also the engagement of the video as well. So ganun lang siya kasimple guys. Now, paano ba kayo magpa-participate dito? So first thing is you need to have a cross wallet. So para makapag-create kayo ng cross wallet, kailangan nyo lang i-type in dito yung web store di Google. So yan, and then once you search it, lalabas dito si Google Chrome Web Store, and then type in nyo lang dito si CrossX. So dito, kapag click nyo si CrossX, may lalabas dito na add to Chrome. So click nyo lang yung add to Chrome, then add extension. And then kapag na-add nyo na yung extension guys, automatic nandito na siya sa extension tab nyo. So, para lumabas siya dito, guys, all you just need to do is to click the pin. Okay, click nyo lang tong pin. And then from here, you just have to click the cross wallet. Okay? Now, kailangan nyo lang mag-agree sa terms and conditions, and also, what you need to do is to click on create a new wallet. So dito, papapiliin kayo kung gusto nyo i-connect sa social account nyo or gawa kayo ng seed phrase, pero ako social account na lang. Okay? Then lagay nyo dito yung email or select nyo dito yung email address nyo. So this is my dummy email as well. Okay? Papakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano kayo makakapag-participate. Okay? So yan, since created na siya, it would ask you to create a code. So click on next. And then lalagay nyo dito yung password nyo, of course. So lagay natin dito yung password natin. So lagay kayo ng nickname. So let's say for example, lagay natin dito, make money. Yan. So click on next. And then okay na yung nickname natin. Ngayon, balik naman tayo dito. Okay, now what we're going to do is to actually click on login, installed, yan. Then click on connect, right? So click nyo lang yung sign, and then agree lang kayo dito. Then click on continue. Now the first thing that you would do is to actually connect your YouTube channel. So dito, kailangan nyo lang i-check yung channel ID nyo. Usually guys, para makita yung channel ID, kailangan nyo lang i-click yung button na yan. Then makikita nyo dito yung channel ID nyo. So click nyo lang yung copy and then paste your YouTube channel ID here. Then the next thing is what you're gonna do is to put this verification code sa channel nyo. So dapat nandyan yan sa description ng channel. So punta kayo sa YouTube and then punta kayo dito guys. So this is my parang spare account ko lang naman to guys. But anyway, wala naman tong content. So just to also show you how it should look like. So lalagay niyo lang siya dito. So close. Tayo dito sa upload defaults. Hindi. Dito na lang guys. Kung tayo dito sa channel. Okay. Tapos customize. So pag click niya ang customize, ilalagay niyo siya dito. Hanapin natin. Tama dito. Customization. Tapos dito, lagay nyo lang yung Crosswave na account. So, click on publish. Okay? Then, after nyo i-click yung publish, guys, punta kayo dito. Balik kayo dito. Then, just refresh it or just wait for it to refresh. Okay? Once na ma-verify naman na yan, guys, okay na yan. No? Kumbaga, hindi na kayo magkakaroon ng problema. So, once connected, the next thing that you're going to do is to create a content. Now, kapag nag-upload kayo ng content, guys, okay, let's say for example, ito, upload natin siya. Kapag nag-upload tayo ng content, all we just need to do is to put the hashtags. Okay? So, let's say for example, kay Rohan2. Okay? So, punta tayo dito sa isang account natin, guys. So, kunwari, mag-upload na kayo ng content. So, i-click nyo lang yung join the campaign and then you just have to put in the hashtags on the description of your video. So, after nyong ilagay yung hashtags na yan, automatic na yan, guys. Madedetect yan ng system kasi connected yung channel ID nyo and makikita yan ng AI. So, i-evaluate kayo ng AI regarding the video that you have created. So, ganun lang naman kadali mag-participate dito, guys. Now, if you do have any other questions or clarifications about this, please comment down below para at least matulungan natin kayo and also makapag-participate din kayo dito sa mga campaigns ni Crosswave. Yun lang guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And alam nyo na, this is Bian and I'm out.